Part 4, Lecture 5, Formalizing the definition of a tensor. Okay? Always keep in mind that tensor is a map. Tensor is a map. See? Let us present a rigorous, mathematical precise definition that avoids ambiguity and make it clear what is a tensor actually is. Now, consider a vector space V and the dual vector space or covector vector space V star. You see this figure here shows. This is the vector space, okay? This is covector space or dual vector space. U is a vector, okay? This A mu is the components, okay? And A lower mu is the basis vector for V, okay? Now, alpha is also a covector, okay? Nu, the lower index, okay, is the components of this covector here, and A nu is the basis vector for V star. Okay, this upper index, this lower index. This is contravariant components. This is covariant components. This is covariant basis vector. This is contravariant basis vector. See, that's clear that. I wrote here. Okay? Now, U is a vector. Alpha is a covector that belongs to V star. Now, definition. Definition you have to accept. Okay? No discussion. By definition, this is behaves like a dot product. Okay? As A nu dot, in this case, A mu is delta nu mu. Attention now, you see, nu is upper index. The right hand side nu is upper index. Must be. Okay? Now mu is lower index. The right hand side mu is lower index. See? That's you always obey this. And also you can see that nu and mu, they are free indices. You see, free index. Free index on the left hand side, free index on the right hand side. You see? That's now I just said that, but I'll repeat. You see? Now A mu, okay, upper index is contravariant components. A mu covariant basis vector. Attention now. This covariant basis vector, it belongs to V. You see the vector space. Okay. Now V star. Okay. A lower index nu in this case is covariant components. A nu the upper index contravariant base vector. Okay. Now it's you pay attention that by convention this I call first slot and this is second slot. Okay. Now again I'm repeating. Note that A mu, okay, lower index is span the vector space V. Okay. And A nu span the covector space V star. Okay. Next lecture, we are going to present the order 2 tensor. Okay. Next week. Okay. This is vector is first order tensor. Scalar is 0th order tensor. Next video, we're going to show, next lecture, the second order tensor. Okay, how you will play. Okay, now attention now, please, attention. You see, here the vector, there is no arrows. You see, no arrows. You see, there's a general idea. You see later, okay, ahead, when you talk about not extrinsic but intrinsic geometry, we're gonna use the same procedure here for the vector space and covector space in the intrinsic geometry. Okay, this ahead. Okay, you talk about this. No, I will remind you about this important lecture over here.